Go. Get it, get it, get it. Come on. Go. Get it, get it, get it. Come on. Oh, get it. Watch it, Maddie. Be on it, be on it, be on it. Nice. Oh, come on. Nice, Maddie. Get it back, girls. Okay, girls.
I
Get it out of there. Come on.
This side, that's it. Stand up.
Good teamwork. Go up there. Go get it. Ooh, trip. Oh, okay. Get into it. Go. Cut her up. Cut her up. Good job, Maddie. Go get it, go get it, go get it. There you go. Get in front of it, get in front of it. There you go. Get in the scoring spot. Someone in front. Get in front, get in front. Who's in front? Icing. Down there. There you go. Keep with it, keep with it, keep with it. Intercept, intercept. Go to it, go to it. Intercept. Good job, Maddie. Go get it, girls. Come on. Get in there, get in there. Good. Come on, Blizzards, get to it. Nice job. Good D. Intercept the shot. Nice job. Good D.
Go. There you go. Right here.
Underneath you, come on.
Behind it.
Someone in front of our net, come on, get it, hit it in! Someone's there, God, we gotta get someone there. They do it in front of our net. Come on, get in front of theirs. Come on. They're always covering ours for us to help. Go, right there. Come on, girls. Come on. Don't worry about the shot. Nice.
This side.
Blizzard, someone cover the front. There you go. Get in there. There, get into it. Someone should be right there, right in the front, right now, standing there. Who's in front of the net? No one. Sharp. Here we go. Wrong way, baby. Where are you going? There we go. Good job. High five. Good job. There you go, girls. Girls. Good. Get into it. Go. It's still open. Go. Pressure. Get in there. Pressure. Someone in front. There you go. That's it. Stay right there. Get it. Okay. Pressure. Cut it off. Nice job. Good D. That's defense. Get into it. Get it out of there. There you go. Almost. Get it. That's it, girls. That's it.
to get up here and get our season seats.
There you go, come on. You can jump in. Come on, get the pressure on there. Get to it, get to it, get to it. There you go, hold the line. There you go. Pass, good. Look up first. There it is. Keep it down there. Get up, get up, get up. Let's go, let's go. Go, go, go. This side, this side. Nice, Maddie.
You're in the black.
Yeah, we're black. Nice. Come on. Come on, pressure them, girls. There you go. You got the person in front. This is it. This is it. Kick it. Get it there. Get it there. Get it to the front. Don't have time. There. Oh, almost. Oh. Wow. That was close. Go, go, go. Get it. Kick it out. No one's in front. Someone in front. Someone get in front of the net. Who's in front? Who's in front? There it is. Hit. There you go. There you go. Nice try, Blizzard. Keep it up. Intercept it. Hold the line. You, Maddie. Good job, Maddie. There you go. Get to it, Blizzard. Go, go, go. Come on. Don't let her cut you off. Come on. Oh, nice shot. Go, 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 go. Nice try. That's the way, Blizzard. Keep it up. Go, go, go. Keep it going. Get it out of the front. Oh my God.
There it is.
Go. Go there, pressure it. Come on, Blizzard. There you go, girls, yes. Intercept, don't let her line up. Good job, Maddie. There it is. Keep an eye on it. Good job, Blizzards. Good job, Jay. Keep it going. There you go. Good eye. Good team. Keep going. Pressure on it. Get in front. Someone in front. Oh, someone in front. No. Pressure the net. Pressure the net. Okay, there you go. Behind you. Turn, turn. Nice job, Blizzard. That's the way, girls. Get ready. Yes!
Getting in the right place.
There it is. Right place at the right time. That's it, girls. Figuring it out. That's the way, Blizzard. Keep it going. Nice. Be ready, Maddie. There you go. Go, go, go. Tap it, beat him. Get it, get it, get it. There you go. Come on. Pressure, 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 pressure. There you go. There you go. Don't give up on it. Good job, man. Keep it up, man. Go, go, go. Get it out, get it out. Come on, girls. Go, go, go. Come on, girls. Good job, Maddie. Oh, nice try. Come on, girls. Keep on it, keep on it. That's right. Be there, be there, be there. Go get it. One's in front. Nice, you got this.
I'll get it.
Nice. Go, go, go. There. Come on. Yeah. All right. Yeah, brand new. Come on, Maddie. Stay sharp, stay sharp. Ooh. Man.
Well, Maddie, that crossbar's her best friend.
Yeah, whoever she was praying to, we're going to keep it up. That was a good assist by some angel. That's teamwork! Play as a team, girls. Come on. Come on, girls. Get with it. Get with it. Get with it. Break it up. Break it up. There you go. Intercept. Intercept. Nice teamwork. Come on. Get back to it. Be ready, Maddie. Get in the middle. Be ready. Nice. Eyes on it. Eyes on it. Wow, great job, Maddie! Come on, Blizzard, back her up. There you go, good pass. Okay. Go to it. Good job. Come on, Blizzard. Keep the pressure on, girls. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Nice. Follow it down, girls. Come on. There it is. Oh. Someone get in front. Doesn't matter who passes it to you. Who's in front? Who's in front? Who's in front of the net?
No, we better go get our axe.
All right, it's all right. Good job. Good job, Maddie. You're good. He's good. He's good. He's good. Go ahead. You can stand up. Go, Blakesley. Yeah. Nice. That's the way, Blizzard. Keep on it. Hold the line.
He was up there standing, I could see this much of the ice. I'm like, ah, man, you're early. You won't mind me sitting next to him, I'll be fine.
Back up, get going. Oh, watch out. Hey. Get ready, Maddie. Let's try.
Put it in front of her.
Come on. Come on, Blizzards, get it up. Move it up. Yeah, Maddie. Woo! It's teamwork. Oh. Nice, Maddie! Yeah, she's picking it up quick, to say the least. Someone in front! Someone in front! Someone get there, there you go. All right. Don't think she saw that coming. I think her pad was in the right place at the right time there. There you go, girls. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on. Oh, there it is. It's a little different. Outside. Good day. Oh, in the league, and we do privates with him once a week. They have so much fun. Get back up and get in front. Come on, girls, get in there, get to it. slow down now. Come on, break it up, break it up, break it up. There you go, good defense. Pass it. Come on, look for your teammate. Look for her. Get in front. Get in front. Ah, she's almost there. There you go. There you go, Blizzards. Come on. There you go. Take it up. Take it up. Help her out. Get in front. Hey, Maddie, be ready. Nice job.
When did he get back?
There we go. Why? Get pressure, Blizzard. Get to it. Now go get it. Get it. Come on, Blizzard. Don't wait. Don't wait. There it is. There it is. Nice job, girl. Nice teamwork. That was all you. That was like a falling, sliding beautifulness there. Be ready, Maddie. Be ready. Good job.